In the heart of Vleck House Gardens, you will find the Montclair Butterfly Garden, a designated wildlife habitat and education space designed to attract and support butterflies and other pollinators in our area. The garden was born in 2007 when two interns designed a butterfly-shaped garden containing plants that provide food and shelter for butterflies, birds, and other native species. The garden was eventually transformed after a generous donation from the estate of Mark Landrum, brother of one of our founders and longtime supporter, Brenda Bingham, which allowed us to renovate and update the space. Today, the garden is a thriving environment home to many different species of plant and local wildlife. Each plant in the garden has been carefully selected based on its benefits to wildlife. Some plants serve as hosts for the larval stages of butterflies and other insects. Others are used as seed and nectar sources. In the garden, you will find a wide range of plants including fennel, dill, black-eyed Susans, coneflowers, hardy passion vine, and canna lilies. Butterfly species which can be found on the property include eastern black and tiger swallowtails, monarchs, and painted ladies. Hummingbirds and other ornithological life may also be seen enjoying the many benefits of the space. The annual transformation of the garden is remarkable. After a late winter pruning, the space begins bare but still offers some early flowers, and as the season progresses, monarch and swallowtail butterflies begin laying their eggs on the growing plants. By late summer, the garden is a riot of colors, offering many sources of nectar which support a diverse variety of insect life. In autumn, grasses and other plants with pods and seeds are left up to provide sources of food and shelter through the winter. Vleck is proud that the garden is a wildlife habitat certified by the National Wildlife Federation. To qualify for such a title, a habitat must provide the four basic elements needed for survival: food, water, cover, and a place to raise young. Due to loss of habitat, recent years have seen serious decline in the populations of butterflies and other pollinators in our area, a concerning development given the important role such species play in the reproduction of plants. In order to slow or even reverse this trend, it is important to recreate spaces that are capable of sustaining a community of dynamically interacting organisms, along with contributing to the long-term viability of native ecosystems. In addition to its uses for local wildlife, the Mark Landrum Butterfly Garden is also an important hub for educational activities at Vleck House Gardens. Our students visit the space to observe wildlife in order to learn about life cycles and interdependence between plants and animals. Our staff also harvest eggs and caterpillars, bringing them into our classroom's rearing cages to be observed as they complete their metamorphosis. Once emerged, butterflies are released back out into the garden to begin their life cycle again in a natural habitat. The garden also provides a wonderful example for those seeking to create a wildlife habitat at home. To learn more about building a butterfly garden, we encourage you to speak with our staff and to seek out the informational materials we have available in the Visitor Center. Now that you've learned about the garden, we encourage you to go outside and experience it by sitting and observing the diversity of life supported by the space. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, please ask a staff member who will be more than happy to assist you. We hope you enjoy your visit and look forward to welcoming you again soon.